Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can change the settings for your Apple AirPods. It's fairly simple and straightforward. Just go into your phone's settings. So for me on Android, that just means dragging down the screen and clicking the little gear settings button. And then you want to open up Bluetooth and device connection and then click on where it says Bluetooth. If you're on an Apple phone, just go into your settings and then click on your Bluetooth option to open up your Bluetooth connected devices. So then we can see here, in my list of Bluetooth connected devices, my AirPods are currently active. You're going to want to make sure that you have your AirPods connected through Bluetooth on your phone, and then click the little gear settings to open up those settings for your AirPods. And then there's a lot of different things you can do to change the settings here. You can edit the name of your AirPods by clicking this little pen in the upper right hand corner and changing the name in this area. You can also forget this device. You can disconnect it. And then you can do different things like changing the phone call settings, whether you want your phone calls to go through your AirPods or not, changing the media, audio, things such as that. You're going to have more options if you're connected to an Apple device. You get a bit more in the way of features with your AirPods in terms of using Siri, for instance, being able to change the volume and answer phone calls. Things such as that are a bit easier when you're through an Apple device, but you're also going to have some settings, of course, that you can change through your Android phone. But that's how you're going to go about finding those, and then you can change those settings in this area. So I appreciate you guys stopping by and watching this video. I hope it was helpful, and I will catch you guys next time.